Hi, my name is Michelle, and thanks so much for coming to my site. Now, I'm assuming you landed here because you saw us online or recently received marketing from us. Am I right? First, I want to take a few minutes to explain who I am and what we do so you can decide whether or not you want to take the next proactive step. My business partner and I have been buying real estate in the Gwinnett and Forsyth County area. We've purchased properties that need a lot of work and some properties that just need carpet and paint. We can buy properties with all cash if you have built up equity, or by assuming your existing liens and debts if you have zero equity. We can close in just days, and as always, we'll buy your property as is. Now, I think it's important for you to know our entire real estate buying philosophy is based on three simple words. Sellers must benefit. Webster's Dictionary defines the words benefit as something that enhances or improves well-being. So my question to you is this. If you sell your house to us, or anyone for that matter, and you don't improve your situation, then why do it? The logical answer is you shouldn't. Look, we're going to make you an offer that makes us money, but we also are going to make sure we improve, correct, or even solve your current problem, if you have one. So, now's the time to make a decision. You have two options from this point forward. One, you can close the screen, forget you watched this video, and go on with your day. Or two, you can fill out the form on this webpage and call our dedicated phone number and tell us about your situation and property. Either option is okay with us, but let me be clear. We are very interested in making you an offer and buying your house, but only, and I mean only, if this will help you in a positive way from your current situation. So do me a favor and fill out the form and or call us and take the next step. In my humble opinion, you have nothing to lose and a lot to possibly gain. Again, my name is Michelle. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to talking to you soon.